Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram new fonts are not showing or working. So as you know, Instagram now update their phones. There are a variety of phones that you can use, especially on the Instagram story. But how our what about the new fonts or the fonts update is not showing or working on your Instagram? So I'm going to show you the solution. The first solutions that you can do when you're facing that problem, you can try to clear the cache of the app. You can just click on or long press on the Instagram apps on your home screen and go to the app info. Here, go to the storage and cache. Now just tap on clear cache. So by clearing the cache, hopefully it will solve that problem, and it will also boost the performance on the Instagram app. But if it's still not working, you can try to find the Instagram apps on the Google Play Store and check if it needs any updates. So you can just click on the search bar here and type on Instagram. Okay, so if you see there's this update the Instagram asks you to update, you can just tap on update so that your Instagram will be on the newest version. Okay, the third solution that you can do is that you need to have a stable and a good internet connection. So if you want to, you can do some speed tests on your internet. You can go to your browser and then just find speed test. Here you can use this run speed test and see. Okay, so my internet actually it's not that bad, I think, so that's not the problem. And the next one is that you can try to uninstall the app first. You can go to the Play Store again, and here you can try to uninstall and reinstall it again and see if the problem is solved. Or the next solution, you can try to use a secondary Instagram. You can try to add a new account. You can go to your profile here, and then you can click on this use your usernames at the top and tap on this add Instagram account, and you can create your secondary Instagram account after that, and hopefully the phones will show. So the last solution is that you can contact the Instagram support team or Instagram support chat and tell them that your problem, that the new fonts is not showing or working. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.